Now that we're familiar with how to find these databases and conduct searches in them, let's take a look at how we can access these materials. We're on the second page of the same list of results that we ended the last video on, and let's take a look at what we find. Let's start by looking at the result number 19, Care of Self in Undergraduate Nursing Students, a Pilot Study. If we click on the link, it takes us to the item's record, and if we scroll down, we can see that the article really isn't even on this page. In this case, we look to the top left corner, and we can see that this article is available as a PDF. If we click on this link, we are taken to the full text of the article, where we can read, print, or save the article as we see fit. Back on the item record, we can use this Cite button to obtain citations for this item. By scrolling down to APA, we can see we get an APA citation. However, it's definitely worth noting that these are not always correct, and probably they will need to be updated. In this case, none of these letters should be capitalized, nor should any of these. Using the databases to get citations can be very helpful, but always take them with a grain of salt and look them over before submitting them. Back on our list of results, let's take a look at another one, number 10, Care for the Caregiver. In this case, we can see that there is no PDF immediately available, so we'll click on Find It at Pollock Library, which resides in that same corner. And we'll be taken into OneSearch. This is because we have access to this article, but through a different database, Ovid Nursing Full Text Plus Collection. I can read the full text here, or use the Article as PDF link in the top right corner to download it. If you're able to locate the article within one of our databases, there should also be a link to download the PDF. Sometimes you might have to look for it. Now we're back on the results page, and there's one more type of result that I'd like to show you. Let's go back down to the bottom of the page and check out result number 18, Nursing Student Satisfaction with Daily Life, a Holistic Approach. This time, instead of clicking on the title, I'm going to click directly on the Find It at Pollock Library link that is on the results page. This is more or less what we did with the last article, only this time we're told that no full text is available. However, just after that, it says Sign in for delivery options. So I'm going to click on this Sign in for more options button. And once I have, there's a new link that appears, which reads, Request this article for delivery. So I can click on this link, and I'm taken to my interlibrary loan account. You may be prompted to log into this before this screen appears. Once I have, though, I see a form which is already filled out with the information on this article. All I need to do is click Request this item at the top right of the screen. Once I do that, I'll have a copy of the article emailed to me as a PDF within a few business days. And that's it. If you find an article and it tells you that we don't have it, remember that we can almost certainly get it for you. I know that sometimes waiting a few days for a resource can seem like too long, but this is a great way to get your hands on relevant literature for your research. Of course, it goes without saying, if you have any questions or would like to talk about this, to contact a librarian, and we'll be happy to assist you however we can. You can find help by clicking on the Get Help link on the library homepage. You're also welcome to contact me, the nursing librarian, for further assistance. That's it. I hope that this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.